So in this video I will teach you the rule which is change sides, change signs. So it is important to understand why we do things in algebra, but it is also important not to let the emphasis on understanding interfere with our ability to do. The use of the addition rule for equations is a case in point. We can use this rule to eliminate a term from one side to an equation by adding the opposite term to both sides of the equation. So for example, we wish to solve the equation y plus 2x is equal to 4. So our goal here is to get the value of y. So for y, we're just gonna add negative 2x. We need to change sides, so it will change to the left side to the right side. So when we move an equation to the right side, we need to change the sign. So that will become y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So this is the value of y. So as you can see, we were able to eliminate the 2x term from the left hand side of the equation. But when we did, the same term appeared on the right hand side of the equation. It has its sign change. So to demonstrate this, easy. So let's just add negative 2x to both sides. So as you can see, that will cancel, giving us on the left side we have y equal to 4 is equal to 2x. So it's just the same. This happens every time we use the addition rule. The term will appear on one side of the equation and will appear on the other side with its sign change. Many people use this thought process rather than mentally adding the same quantity to both sides like what we did here. They simply pick up a term, carry it across the equal sign. So they just pick up term, like for example, let's pick up 2x and carry it to the next side. But when it goes to the next side, its sign had changed. So this leads to the adage, change sides, change signs. Yeah, there we go. Authors of algebra books published in the late 1800s call this process as transposition. If we use transposition to solve the preceding equation of y, we transpose the 2x to the right hand side where it becomes negative 2x like what we have on the board earlier. So easy as that. So let's use the rule change signs to solve this. So let's find the value of x. So we're gonna change sides here. So what we have here, we have here 7, and the signs will change. This is change signs. So plus 2, and since we move it here, we have x left. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So our x is equal to 9. Okay, how about this? Find the value of p. So we're gonna move the two terms here to the other side, which gives us 7y signs will change. It will become positive 3x plus 4. And what we have here, since we changed its size, we have p left here, since we move it to the other side. Actually, since we have the positive number here, since we change its size, we need to change its sign, so that will become negative. So easy as that. Okay, how about this? Let's solve for the value of y. So you can try it if you want to. Just pause the video because I'm gonna answer it very shortly. So we need to change this part to this sign. So we have 3y is equal to negative 2x will become positive 2x. And negative 5 will become, positive 5 will become negative 5. Since we're looking for the value of y, so we need only the y term on the other side. We need to divide both of them by 3. So what we have left is y. Since both of these 3 will cancel, we have 2 thirds x minus 5 thirds, or simply just 2x minus 5 over 3. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something about this topic.